Hi, it's Julian. In this short video I'll be unboxing the new Magic Keyboard in white. This is also going to be a super quick review answering the question, should you buy this model, especially if you already own the black version of this keyboard. The quick answer to this question is yes, you should absolutely buy this one in white. It's amazing. I'll give you 6 reasons why I think white is the perfect choice. But before I give you those reasons, let's unbox this Magic Keyboard together. So. Let's see, stand up, look, here you go. Okay, so let me just open that. Wow, it smells interesting. Look at this. Here you go, that's the white version. So I do have the black one here as well. It does feel the same, so the look is different. So I really like it a lot. It looks very nice. I'm happy I got this one. And as promised, here are the 6 reasons why I think white is the perfect color for this keyboard. First, it does look super sleek and clean. Second, white looks a lot less like an actual tech object. I don't know about you, but I think white is more like design and black more like tech. And third, if you have white walls, white light surroundings, I think that white does blend in a lot better. And black just draws a lot of attention, and I don't want my tech objects to stand out. I just kind of want them to blend in. And then fourth, if you're planning to use this keyboard in the summer when it's hot outside, like I will be going on a kitesurf vacation soon, I might be using this thing from time to time, then I think the keyboard is going to get a lot less hot. 5, if you already own a typical keyboard that's white, then getting this for the iPad Pro in white makes sense because you'll be able to create a coherent look and feel across all your devices. And here's my final reason why I think white is the perfect color for this keyboard. Even if you don't plan to buy the new iPad Pro this year because it's not that much of an improvement, you'll still be able to just buy this white keyboard and give your current device a completely new look and feel. And that's without having to spend all the money for the new iPad Pro. So that's it for my iPad Pro keyboard review in white. What do you think of this model? Did I forget to mention a reason why you should get it in white? If yes, please let me know in the comments below.